So guys, we are installing the XAMPP in our computer so we can use WordPress in our local server. First of all, we have to Google XAMPP and then we have to download the XAMPP from their official website. And I'm using Windows, so I'm downloading it for the Windows, and it's downloading right now. After that, we have to install the XAMPP. Now we'll install it. So we'll do next, and we have to select the location, and after that next, and we have to do the next one more time, and next. And now it's installing in our system. While the XAMPP is installing, we can download the WordPress. So we will download the WordPress. Meanwhile, it is installing in our system. We'll open the WordPress.org and we'll download the official WordPress from the WordPress.org. Here it is. And then we'll download. So WordPress is downloading and XAMPP is installing. We can do the fast forward, so we will fast forward it from here. Okay, now it is installed and we have to run two services. One is Apache and second is MySQL for database. Okay, Apache for the web server and MySQL for the database. Got it? And our Apache service and MySQL service is running. So we will install the WordPress on this local server, that is XAMPP. So we will copy the WordPress setup to the htdocs folder in XAMPP folder, and we have to paste in htdocs. We have pasted it, and then we have to extract this. This will name as WordPress. We can rename it as you like. This is WordPress, and we can rename it or leave it as a WordPress also. So I'll rename it to ecom, as I'm making a e-commerce website. So and now we will install this WordPress. For that we will use localhost / and the name ecom. Like I have chosen the name ecom, and so we have to write here, and this is the beginning of the process of WordPress installation. So this is how we will install the WordPress. And now we have to create a database also, and here we have to put the database name. So first we will create a database. For creating a database, we'll go to the localhost / phpMyAdmin, or simply we can click admin over here in MySQL. You can see the option along with the MySQL, and that is admin. This will take us to the phpMyAdmin, and here we have to create a database, and we can name anything we want. So we will create a database here. And database is created, and we have to copy this database name to here. This is where we have to put the database name, and we will write here root as username, and password we will keep this blank. Okay, and this is where we make a site name. We'll write a site name here, and username here, password here, and an email here. After that we will click the begin setup or install setup. So finally we have installed our WordPress. We just have to click this button here, and that's it, bingo. We have created the WordPress installation in our local server XAMPP, and now we have to log in with the WordPress username and the password from the previous window. Okay, and bingo, this is how we install the WordPress in our local XAMPP. And thank you, bye bye, like, share and subscribe.